Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Prime Video app keeps crashing, do not worry, this is easy to fix. First, check your device storage. Head over to your settings app, go ahead and go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your phone has enough or sufficient storage space, as low storage can cause crashes. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close all the apps in the background, including your Prime Video, and reopen it after a few hours. Then restart your phone or TV to refresh system memory. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Amazon Prime Videos, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. If it still crashes, clear cache or reinstall the app completely. Also check if your device software is updated. Now your Prime Video app should work smoothly again. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next guide.